Hi, I'm Don, and this is the Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we are going on to issue 43, and hopefully it is more involved than the last one. We do have some parts here. It looks like we're going to be continuing on with the left leg. So let's crack this open and see what we got. All right, so these are the parts that we get with this issue, and amazingly enough, the instructions list every one of these as leg details. So that's what we have. We have 7 pieces of leg detail. You're also going to need the ankle from the previous issue, as well as 2 6mm black screws and 2 6mm silver screws. Alright, to begin, we're going to assemble the lubricant filter reservoirs. So we're going to take the cap, and we're going to take the ring, and we're just going to slide the ring over. And if you notice, there's 2 little lugs on there. And when you take this, you'll notice there's 2 slots on the lip. Those lugs will go into those slots to keep it from turning. And we're going to take 1 silver 6mm screw and drive it right down the middle. Alright, and then we repeat this for the other one. Alright, and now that we have 2 of these, I'm going to take this piece here and orient it in this fashion. And you've got this little tab here, okay, and that's going to be facing this way towards the screw holes. So it should slide in, and you'll notice there's little tabs in here with 1 and then 2 sets of 2. With that singular one, that's going to go in that slot there, and you just slide it all the way in just like that, and do the same thing on this side, just like that. And then you can take the ankle, and it should just slide right into place, just like that. If you take a look, there's those little slots, and that's where these little tabs are going to go to help you line it up properly. And with everything slid in place and looking flush, you've got 2 screw holes right here, and we're going to use the 6mm black screws for those. And would you look at that? The ankle is looking better than ever. And there you have it. Stage 43 is complete. Another day, another little piece of progress towards getting our R2 completed. If you liked the video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Have a great day.